Best available promo codes for AliExpress website. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again. And in this video, I'm going to simply show you that how you can easily get the promo codes. The promo codes by which you can get discount on AliExpress, how you can find it. For this, you have to open your Google Chrome and you have to simply check out this website, that is PayPal Honey. And here you will get these type of available promo codes. Some of the codes are for Honey exclusive website or any other AliExpress website. You can get up to $6 off, $12 off, $15 off, and many more offers like this. Now, to click on to get a QR code is how you can get it. There is an option on the right of every promo code that is get coupon. You simply have to click on the get coupon, then your coupon will be displayed in front of you. You can simply copy it and then you can paste it on the payment page on your AliExpress website. So this is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates and reviews like this.